My name is William James Hewson, known locally as Bill. I was in business with my wife for years, and I was chairman of the Chamber of Commerce and Industry at Hythe when the crisis for the railway came about. The owners of the railway wanted to sell the rolling stock to America, and they'd got a buyer. But what they didn't realise was that it was a public railway, and as such they would need an Act of Parliament to change its use. So they then started panicking, and we were offered the railway for £175,000. We beat them down and bought it for £105,000 with interest-free loans from people from all over the world, because we got in touch with all the steam buff magazines around the world. My wife wrote to all of them, and we had not large sums, but bits of money here and there. In about 11 months, just before the end of the year, we had raised sufficient money with the help of Bill McAlpine. He gave £37,000 into the pot. I do see myself now as the grandfather of the railway, and what a lovely family we've got. When you consider the Railway Association has so many volunteer members who every year help to keep the railway going at no cost to the railway. They do it for love. They are real steam buffs. I think the future of the Romney, Hythe and Dymchurch Railway is secured forever because of the number of people who have supported it with money and with effort, and of course the Railway Association. That mustn't be belittled, because they play a great part in the running of the railway. It's the only thing I know that always attracts waves, and the Romney, Hythe and Dymchurch Railway only attracts waves.